Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new snow owl pet from Roblox. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the beak. To do this, draw a diamond shape that's a bit longer on the bottom. Then color it in black. Now, from the top side of the beak, draw a curved line outwards like this. Next, draw a short diagonal line down and in. Now, draw another pointed V shape outwards like this. At the bottom, draw a short curved line out here. Then close off the shape by curving it back into the side of the beak. Now draw the same shape on the left side. Now let's move on to the eyes. Draw a large circle shape inside here. Do the same thing on the other side. Then color it in black. Next, we're going to draw a half circle shape next to each eye. To do this, start with short lines next to the eye like this. Then draw a curve on the inner side. And then draw another curve on the outer side. Do the same thing for the other eye. Now let's draw the eyebrows / feathers above the eyes. Above the beak, draw a small V. Now draw a long line up and out like this. It should be around the same length as the feathers you drew around the eyes. Draw a curved line down, but leave a gap and don't connect it to the eye feathers. From the bottom of this line, curve it back in. Do the same thing on the left side now. Now let's draw the top of the head by drawing a curved line across the top here. Now let's draw the sides of the head. On the right, between the top 2 points of the eye feathers, draw a curved line down. Continue the same curve down again here. Do the same thing on the left side. Now connect the bottom of the lines with a slightly curved line. Now let's move on to the body. Under the head, in the center, draw a wide U shape. Next, under the shape, draw a longer, more narrow, rounded V shape. From the bottom right of the head, draw a curved line down here. Then connect it back in like this. Do the same thing on the left side. Now let's draw another set of V-shapes under the first one, like this. Draw another set of rounded V-shapes inside here. Now draw one last V-shape at the bottom to connect the two sides. To finish off the bottom of the body, draw a large curved line at the bottom like this. Now let's draw the wings. Let's start with the right side. From the point where the head meets the body, draw a curve slightly up and then bring it back down and out, away from the body. Now draw another diagonal line outwards here. Draw a curve to connect the two lines. Now we can draw the feathers at the tip of the wing. Starting from the bottom, draw curved L shapes along the edge like this. For the last one, curve it back up and connect it to the top of the wing. Draw the left wing in the same way. Lastly, let's draw the feet. At the bottom, draw two short lines. Connect them at the bottom with a curve. Now draw a rounded square-like shape for the foot and color it in black. Draw the other foot in the same way. And that's it for this cute snow owl. Let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.